Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sonic from Sonic Prime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth area. Let's start with a small curve across. Then from the ends, let's bring it out to the sides. Now from the ends, let's curve it down and in, bringing it down to the center like this. Next, inside at the top, let's draw the nose with a rounded triangle shape. And then let's color it in black. Now underneath, let's add the mouth. Let's start on the left, and let's draw a slight curve down. And then a bent curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and draw the eyes. We'll start in the middle and let's hop up and let's draw a curve down, up to the left, and back down like this. And now let's do the same thing on the left. Now let's move underneath toward the center here. Let's draw a long curve down and back up. And the same on the right. Now inside, at the top, let's draw another small oval. And then another long curve underneath. And then let's color the inside sections in black. And lastly, for the eyes, on the top, let's add one more curve. Now on the left side, let's draw a long curve down, and the same thing on the right for the side of the head. Now from the top, let's curve it up and back down, forming a point for the ears. And then inside each ear, let's draw a triangle shape. Next, let's hop up in the center, above the ears, and let's draw a small curve across. Now from the sides, let's curve it down towards the ears like this. Now let's continue the lines underneath the ear by curving it down and back up at the end. And the same thing on the other side. Now next to this line, let's draw curves down. And we're going to stop here and continue them after we've drawn the body. Next, let's move down and draw the tops of the arms with curves down on both sides. Then near the top here, let's draw a small curve down. And then curves down for the inside of the arms. Next, underneath the armpit area, let's draw two curves down for the sides of the body. Next, let's move inside the torso and let's draw a curve near the top. And now a large U-shaped curve underneath to close it off. Next, let's move over and draw the gloves. Let's move over underneath the right side of the arm and let's draw an oval shaped curve around the base like this. And the same thing on the left. And now underneath on the outside, let's draw a rounded rectangle shape. Now let's move back inside at the top and let's draw a curve down and over. And the same thing on the left. Now underneath, let's step in and draw a curve down. And then one more curved rectangle piece underneath to close off the top section of the glove. Next, let's move underneath, let's step in, and let's draw the thumb with a curve down and back in like this. And the same on the left. Now, let's draw an angled line out, down, back in, and then up. And then add a small curve inside. And the same thing on the left. Next, let's move underneath the thumb and let's draw a curve around and then an angle to close off the shape of the hand. And now let's do the same on the left. Lastly, let's add some details inside the glove. Inside along the top, let's draw a line down and then curve it at the bottom. And the same inside the other hand. And lastly, let's add a bump on the top of each hand. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move up and finish drawing his quills. From the line we drew earlier, let's continue it down to the arm. And then a curve underneath the armpit here, down to the glove. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body in the center and let's draw a small line across. Now for each leg, let's draw 2 curves down on both sides. Next, let's draw the shoes. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides like this. And then let's draw another curve underneath, coming to a point. Now let's move up about halfway and let's draw a curve out. Then a square shape above it for the tongue of the shoe. And then a bent line for a border inside. Now let's draw the shape of the shoe. Underneath the tongue, let's draw an angled line down and then curve it down at the bottom. And the same on the right. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down for the back of the shoe. Then let's angle it down and out on both sides, stopping about here. Now let's add a small bump up and down. And then a curve to finish off the bottom of the shoe. Next, let's move inside and draw the details. Okay, let's start on the heel and let's draw a curve down, over, and back down like this. And now the same thing on the other shoe. Now let's hop back to the heel and let's draw an angled line down. And then inside, a small line. Next, underneath this large curve, let's draw another curve at the top. From the back, let's angle it down to the bottom of the shoe. And then from the other end, let's curve it down. Now let's hop down at the bottom in the heel and let's draw an angled line across and then continue it into the next section. And now in the heel, let's draw an oval shape on both sides. Now let's add the details on the top part of the shoe. From the top of the shoe, let's draw 2 angles in and 2 underneath like this. And now let's connect them with a point on the top and bottom. Now in between these shapes, let's draw an angled line. Now let's hop up to the top and draw another angled line from the top and then angle it over to the other side like this. Then another angled line underneath this one. Another line down, and then 2 lines underneath the bottom shape. And lastly, on the toe of the shoe, let's draw 2 curves down like this. And that's it for Sonic. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!